How to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. Now, the first thing to do is to log in into your Facebook account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged into your Facebook account, by the left side of the screen, you will see your marketplace. Perhaps if you tried clicking on it and instead of it to come to your marketplace just like mine did, it didn't. That means that the fault is usually either from you or from your browser. This is because Facebook Marketplace will not be shut down without an info or an information or a memo we pass across before the shutdown. Okay. So if you didn't see an info or a memo and then all of a sudden your Facebook Marketplace is not loading, then this tutorial is the best for you. Just follow the processes and the procedures that I will be teaching you in this tutorial. So the first thing to do is if you are using your browser, like a web browser like I am, and then the Facebook Marketplace is not loading, the first thing to do is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Alright? And then how do you clear your browser cache and cookies? You clear your browser cache and cookies by navigating through to the top part of your browser where you see three dots. Okay, just click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed. Locate settings. Alright? All these get settings, click on it. Then once you click on it, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, you see privacy and security located by the left side of the screen under autofill and passwords. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this page. Now, on this page, under privacy and security, you will see clear browsing data. That's our focus. Click on it. Once you click on it, here you select the browsing history that you want to delete data, cookies, etc. The reason you have to do this is because if your browsing data is too much, some sites will not load on your um browser, and this could include your Facebook Marketplace. So just click on clear data if you want to, then move to basic, and then you do the same. Then once you've tried that, you can also try checking your internet connection. Very important. If you have a bad internet connection, your Facebook Marketplace will not load. Another thing is by disabling browser extension. So how do you disable a browser extension? Now, browser extension is located also by the top right corner of the screen. The browser extension is always next to a window-like icon. So this is the extension. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will see all of the extensions available on your site. So to disable the extension, by the right side of the extension, you will see three horizontal dots. Click on it. Then from there, you see the option remove from Chrome. Alright. I just go ahead and remove the extension from Chrome. Or you can click on manage extension where you'll be further directed on what to do. So that's about extension. And then another thing you can do is by logging in and logging out and logging in of Facebook. How do you log out and log in? You can log out by moving to your account icon located by the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed and then you will see log out. Alright, just click on it and log out and then try logging back in. And the last thing you can do is by contacting Facebook support. Alright, contacting Facebook support is also in this box here where you see settings and privacy and then help and support. Just click on it and then contact Facebook support for further info. So this is how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. I am sure this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.